If you're planning a move, you might have come across something called a USDOT number. But what exactly is it, and does every mover need one? A USDOT number is a unique identifier issued by the U.S. Department of Transportation. It's used to track a moving company's safety record, inspections, and compliance with federal regulations. Think of it like a mover's official ID for operating legally across state lines. Now, not every moving company is required to have a USDOT number. Movers who only operate within one state might be regulated by their state's transportation agency instead. But any mover that transports goods across state lines or advertises interstate moving services must have a USDOT number issued by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA. Checking for this number is one of the easiest ways to verify if a mover is legitimate. You can look it up on the FMCSA website and see the company's complaint history, insurance details, and operating status before you hire them. It's a simple step that can help you avoid scams and ensure your belongings are in safe hands. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.